Hello friends, welcome back. Okay, so now we're going to continue on about arrays. So it says it should understand array literals. If we look on our test, we see that if I refresh the page, the error message is coming from aboutarrays.js on line 26. And so we're going to go to line 26. And here, okay, so it should understand array literals. Array is set to an empty array, expect array to equal here. So this is, well actually the error message is here on 26, so here we have the fill me in. So here we see array at position 0 is equal to 1, so we expect array to equal 1. So here what they're doing is they're setting the position 0 to equal to 1. Let's do that in the console here. If we set var array is equal to an empty array, then array becomes that empty array, right? And now if we go array at position 0 is equal to 1, then the array has a single value in it, just like this. And so that's how we can add data to array elements. And so that's what's happening here. They're saying that expecting the array to equal that. So right now array is equal to just like that. Now that's not true because it's because of object variables and difference. So it's a little bit different when testing. That's a little weird thing about JavaScript. But here we see at array at position 1, we set that equal to 2. So the position, so if we go array at position 1 is equal to 2, now we're setting it there. So now if we take a look at our array, we have 1, 2. And so here we want the array. Well, here we've mutated the array to add 2 under this first position. So this is the 0 position, and then this is the first position. And so we expect array to equal 1, but here we have an array, and what do we want to have here? We just want to change fill me in to be 2. So now if I save that file, and then I refresh here, oops, refresh here, you'll see that now it looks like the error is happening on line 29. So we've completed one of the tests. And so here, now that we're going to move to line 29, which is this guy right here. So here they're saying array.push, and then they're putting an element of 3 in there. So let's just show it in the console again. This is what's called a REPL environment. So reply, evaluate, print, review, REPL, review, evaluate, print, loop. That's it. Okay, so here, let's do it again. When I refresh the page, it goes away. So when I refresh the page to test it, we lost the data. So we've got our array here. And then we're saying array at position 0. We're going to save that. We're going to make that 1. And so now our array is growing, right? So now we have an array with 1 number in it. And so that now what we're doing is going array at position 1 is equal to 2, right? So now our array looks like that. And so now if we go array.push 3, what do you think is going to happen? Well, it's going to add on something. It's going to add on one more value, right? So array.push 3. And so now if we check our array, you'll see that the push method has changed our array so that it's 1, 2, 3. And so that's what they've got going here. So here we just want to make this 1, 2, 3. And now if I save this and refresh this page, we should see that we've moved on to our next it statement. So it should understand array length. So right now it should understand array literals. Here we have should understand array literals. And so now if I refresh the page here, you see that it says knowing it should understand array literals has expanded your awareness. So that means that we've passed. And now we're moving on to the next one, which is 35. And this one's called, and this next one will be called should understand array length. And so we'll take that one up in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. See you in the next video.